What's the meaning of chewing stick? Chewing stick. Chewing stick.
Chewing stick. Chewing stick. A chewing stick is a naturally occurring plant or tree twig that has been chewed at one end until it becomes a frayed brush-like tip. It was historically used as a tool for dental hygiene, particularly in areas where toothbrushes were not available or affordable. When chewed, the frayed end of the stick releases natural fibers that can help remove plaque and promote oral health. The use of chewing sticks has become less common today due to the widespread availability of commercial toothbrushes and toothpaste.